Hello, I am Chef Lagbir. Today we are going to learn Lal Mas. The name Lal Mas come from the chilies what I am going to use. So you can see these chilies. These are Mathania chilies, specially from the place called Mathania in Rajasthan. Let me introduce my ingredients for the day. I am going to use ghee, onions, mutton. We have to use mutton, not the lamb. Yogurt, whole garam masala, mustard oil, dhania powder, jeera powder, whole jeera, haldi, turmeric, salt, fresh coriander leaves chopped, and the Mathania chili paste and ginger garlic paste. You can take a thick bottom pan. So ghee we are going to use around 5 tablespoons. Introduce my garam masala, what all things I am going to use in. So in garam masala I am going to take bay leaf, cinnamon stick, buds of black cardamom, 3 to 4 green cardamom, few cloves and black pepper whole. So let's put our garam masala, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves and whole pepper. So in this I am going to add a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Cook it until the masala start crackling. In this we are going to add sliced onions, which I am going to take around 200 grams. So we are going to cook it until onions are turned golden brown. So when the onions are caramelized, it is golden brown, it will give little sweetness to the taste. Even the Mathania chilies, the more we cook, it becomes little sweeter. That's the trick in this. In this gravy, the basic flavor comes from Mathania chilies. But people even add yogurt. In case you don't have yogurt but you like Lal Mas to be more spicy, you just add chilies, the chili Mathania chili paste. But in case if you are adding yogurt, it will stabilize the spiciness, the flavors. So it depends on you. If you want, you can add yogurt. In case if you don't, it's fine. You can just cook the onions, put the masalas, add your mutton. That's it. So now it's getting brown, you can start taking it. So now the onions are brown, good color. I'm going to add half a kilo of mutton. So mutton what I'm using is with bone. Do take mutton with bones because it tastes much better than a boneless. So now we are going to mix it properly and braise it on a slow flame until our mutton is little brownish. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it properly and cook it until the raw flavor of ginger garlic paste gone. Cook the ginger garlic paste until the raw flavor of ginger garlic paste gone. So we have to mix it, cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to start adding our masalas. So now it's time to add our key ingredient, that is Mathania chili paste. So without Mathania chilies, we cannot have Lal Mas. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili paste. So how to make Mathania chili paste? That's going to be another portion. So what you do, you just take Mathania chilies, dip in hot water and leave it for half an hour. Then drain out and make a fine paste. In case you want, even you can take out, you can deseed the chilies to reduce the spice level. So we are going to cook it a little bit. So now we are going to make yogurt masala for our lal mas. For that I am going to use half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil will give little sharpness to the gravy, and around 100 ml of yogurt. So this we are going to make it fine mixture. See, I am not going to add chili paste in this because we have already added 2 tablespoons of chili paste. That is more than enough for giving nice color to the lal mas and the spice level. In case if you feel that the gravy is less spicy, you can always add our Mathania chilies. So let's just mix it properly, our yogurt masala. It's time to add the masala in our meat. So while adding yogurt, ensure that the temperature is really low, or else what happen, your yogurt is going to curdle. So you're going to just mix it properly and increase the flame. At this time, few people even add tomato paste, but authentically you are not supposed to add tomato paste. It's just chili and yogurt gravy. So you have mixed it properly. Now it's time to add little water. Water is according to the requirement. So I'm going to add, as I have taken around half a kilo of meat. For half a kilo of meat, I'm going to add around 200 ml of water. I'm going to mix it properly, cover it with a lid, and we're going to cook on slow flame for another 40 to 45 minutes until our meat is tender and ready to serve. In between, we are going to stir it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. So let it cook for around 40 to 45 minutes on slow flame. So it's been around 20 minutes. So now we're going to just mix it. In between, we have already stirred around 2 to 3 times. We have to ensure that it doesn't stick. The rest is fine. And you can see a nice red color coming, and even the meat pieces are getting tender. 20 to 25 minutes for cooking properly. So let's catch up after another 20 minutes. So let's check the doneness of our meat. It looks yummy. You can see the color, nice color from Mathania chilies, and it's going to taste even better. Let's check the meat piece whether it's done. So I'm going to and check it. Yeah, it's really yummy, soft, as you can see. Now we are going to just do the plating. Let me check the taste. Yeah, salt is perfect and even tastes much better than anything else. It's time to garnish. So we'll take the best pieces like bones. Done. So for garnishing, I have taken a coriander sprig, a nice coriander sprig, and few julienne of our ginger. Our lal mas is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Until next time, thank you.